Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Honest Prime here, back again with another video. And in this video, we are going to pick up where we last left off, which was after we have got our Kali Linux distro installed. Now there are certain things that we are going to want to do maintenance wise. But first, let's kind of cover how to make your screen full size, okay? Because some of you may not have been able to make your screen full size and you still may be working out of that tiny little box. So let's just cover it real quick. I've already done mine, but I can walk you through the steps, I do believe. So first, you're going to want to go up here to devices, right? And then click on insert guest edition CD image. Click on that, and then it's going to populate right here on your desktop, right? So then you're going to want to go to file system and then double click on that, and then click on the actual mounted CD-ROM here. All right. So then you're going to want to right click somewhere on an empty space and then click on open terminal here. Right, so then that's going to bring you to a empty terminal, but it's going to actually bring you inside of this absolute path here. All right, so now you're going to want to type in sudo su because you want to become a super user, right? And hit enter, and then type in your password. All right, so now you are root. Now root is, man, it's dangerous because now you have complete control. And your, things that you download, things that you do on your computer, you have complete control of it, right? And since root can be dangerous, you'll notice that that's where the little skull and crossbones is coming here into play, letting you know, hey, you are root. Okay, so once you become root, you're going to want to give this application permission, right? And so the way that we are going to give this permission, which we will cover in our beginner Kali Linux command tutorial, navigating in the system. But right now, what you're going to want to do is give this application permission. And the way you do that is you're going to type in chmod, right, 777, and then space, and then you're going to want to type it. You can type in VBox, all right, and then hit tab. And it's going to bring up everything that's inside of this folder. It's going to bring it up here, right? And so the one that you're going to the one that you're going to want to work with is VBox Linux Editions Run. So then you'll just type that on out, right? Okay, and then you would hit enter. Since I've already done this step, I don't need to do it again, but I'll walk you through it. So once you do that, then you're going to want to type in, let me clear my screen here. You're going to want to type in sh VBox run, right? So sh is shell, basically. It's written in Perl. So you're giving this application permission to run. So then it's going to ask you a couple of questions. It's going to ask you, do you want to continue? And then you just hit yes. And then once you've done that, then you're going to want to follow these steps. You're going to hit exit. And then exit again, just type in exit, and then you can just exit out all this. And then you're going to want to come here and restart your system, okay? And then once you restart your system, you'll be brought to your login screen, and just go ahead and log in first before you try to full screen it. Go ahead and log in, and then once you log in, you'll come up here to view, and then just come down here to auto resize guest display, and then you should be good to go, and it should be full screen. All right, so now that we've got that little piece out of the way, now we want to get into taking care of our machine. So before you even start to use your Kali Linux machine, you're gonna want to update your distro, right? And because that way you're gonna do any kind of patches that are coming out here recently, any kind of new tools that you're going to want to use. You can get all those new tools, get those new patches, get the configuration set up correctly, okay? And it's pretty easy how you go ahead and update your system. So all you want to do is just come up here, open up a terminal, right? And the bash code, or the command, I guess you could say, to open up, to update your system is just you type in sudo and then apt.get, then update. All right, and then just hit enter. Then enter your password. And so it's just going to do its thing. So when you were installing your system, this is where the network mirror key came into play, because now it's downloaded all of your necessary source repository list all automatically here in your sources.list folder. So it's just pulling from there, and it is updating and patching and configuring your system for you. So before you start to do any type of, I guess, installation of tools that you may find, like Wi-Fi Fisher or, you know, some external tools, you'll always want to update your system. Okay. And you should get used to doing apt get update, because you'll be doing it a lot, at least once a week, if not more, depending on how many tools you want to install during the weekday. But every time, I would recommend you do an apt get update. All right. And then that way it will make sure that your system is update, patched, and configured. Then after that, after you have updated your system, then you can go into upgrade, right? And so a lot of the tools that come standard in Kali Linux, a lot of them do have new versions that come out. So you're going to want to come down here and make sure that you're using the latest, greatest tool that is in your arsenal. And the way you do that is you just type in sudo apt, just like you did update, just get. And so instead of update, you type in upgrade, right? And then that's going to bring you here. Now, it's 387 tools to upgrade. I'm not going to sit here and wait for all these tools to upgrade, but for you, you can just hit Y and hit enter, and it will automatically upgrade all these tools that you see before you, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so I'm just going to click no. And, you know, just to kind of give you a shortcut, if you don't want to have to sit there and hit Y all the time, you can hit sudo apt upgrade, right? Oh, I'm sorry. See, hey, everybody messes up. So you're going to want to type in sudo apt get upgrade, and then you can just hit -Y, and then -Y will automatically update everything for you without even having to click yes. It'll just go ahead and update everything. And sometimes if you want to do the upgrade, update, and then you can actually run 2 commands simultaneously. So you just hit the ampersand twice and then type again apt.get upgrade, if I could type, and then hit tac Y, and then that will send you into your update and also send you into your packages upgrade as well, without you even have to type in separate commands. Alrighty, so just clear that. All right. So now that we've got our system updated and we've got our tools upgraded, there are a few, I guess, commands that I really want to share with you guys. Just 1 or 2 really. DF it stands for free disk space basically, but disk free, and you're going to want to keep a constant watch on filling up your, see where your partitions are, see where your open space is that you have on your hard drive, right? So you can type in df tac h. Now tac h means human form, so something that we can actually read and understand. That's why it's tac h. So it just makes everything simpler, more simple for you to read. So see, this is the dev.sd1. That's your hard drive, to where when we set up our Kali box, we gave it 25 gigs, 24 gigs, whatever. And these are the different partitions that are running on that particular hard disk, right? So then the other command is du type tac h. And this stands for disk usage. And this is important because you want to know what processes, what things are using up or taking up most of your okay, so you've got your videos, you've got your documents folder, thumbnails and everything that you see here. And so this is where the majority of, this is what's taking up your hard drive space. So exactly, hey, in videos folder, you want to see how many megabytes or how many gigs are in your folder. Like, oh, okay, wow, okay, so this is taking up most of the space. Or if on your desktop you want to see how many megabytes or gigabytes that are occupying your hard drive from your desktop folder. And then same thing for your downloads. Where you will definitely store the majority of your programs will be in those folders. And so you'll want to be able to see exactly what's taking up what space and how much. Okay. So now we're actually going to also post a video on navigating the Kali Linux file system, which is going to be very, very helpful. So that video will be coming up, and yeah, so we'll kind of go from there. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Take care and take care of each other.